two different size vehicles in the water.
Design Challenge 2024 has just been wrapped up. Day one saw the children really getting to grips with what the airboat challenge is. Day two got them building the boats, and they saw many different design variations, and the creative thinking and lateral thinking exercise that the kids went through has been incredible.
My team decided to go with a pontoon design. We had a catamaran kind of style airboat. We had these pontoons on the side that we decided to use for stability.
My highlight for this week was probably our building on day two, and this has been a really fun event for me and for everybody, and I hope we get to do this again next year.
And a really important part was the pitch. We try to do as best as we can, make the investor invest in us and show our overall plan and goal that we have to do with our boat.
Overall, I found that this year's design challenge was very unique. The ways that the racing worked, the ways that you can control it was also very unique. So overall, our boat itself did really well, and I really enjoyed this.
Day three was a tough one. It was the race day, putting all of their hard work to the test. Some kids spilt their boats, some destroyed it, some really shone, and all in all, we saw some great camaraderie between the students.
I like Design Week not only because we get to collaborate together in different grades, but we also get to use our various skills to work together and make the best airboat possible. In grade 10 we had Annabelle, and she was the head of the robotics marketing team, which meant she really helped with the pitch. Me and Orr helped with the mini challenge, and Akiva and Thomas helped with designing the boat.
This was my first ever design challenge, and I think I really had a lot of fun because I got to collaborate with so many different people who I've never really conversed with before. I still helped out with the pitch, presenting, and even studying for the mini challenges, which was great. I didn't know how well the design would develop, and then when we got done with it, it just felt so great to see that, you know, my team had made that, and it was just really awesome.
All right, across the line.
This is my second time ever participating in the Design Week, and it not only helped me realize how much I like building new things, but also strengthened my friendships, my friends, and built new ones. I'm really excited for the one next year, and I can't wait to see what's next to come.
Overall, it was super fun, super great to try something new and come up with all these designs that you don't even know if they're going to work, and you have to build something so quickly. But seeing all your work come to fruition and being able to test it, not sure if it's going to work, it's great. It's fun.
Let's go! Oh my goodness, the aggressive boat, yellow boat.
I enjoyed Design Week a lot because I could develop a new skill I wasn't very good at, and it was very fun developing new bonds with different people from various grades, and I had a lot of fun spending time with them.
It's been a fantastic experience, and we can't wait for the next one.